Hey, welcome to Patrikios, and this is our second video. In this video, we will talk about the CIA Triad. And let me tell you this, they are so important because they are the foundation model in cybersecurity. Let's go further. Here we have a definition. In the last video, we have discussed what is cybersecurity and why they are important. But why we have a definition here? Because there are three things we have missed in the last definitions, and that is confidentiality, integrity, and availability. If you have any kind of exams or interview, you have to give this definition. You have to include confidentiality, integrity, and availability because they are so important. You can read the other words as well, like definition. You can read the definition of it. Yeah, we will go through the history of CIA, what CIA, like what it is and when it is found. So basically, CIA, I have told you that they are the foundational model in cybersecurity, and they are practiced since 1970s, and they are used in military and government security framework. They're actually made by the US military for their security framework. And like in 1970s, they are just everything is on boom. They have their technical things. The USSR and the United States, they both are competing, and at that time they basically made this framework. And till this date, US is the leading leader. They are the basically leader in cybersecurity. They spend a lot of their money in cybersecurity researches, and still they are the leader in it. And we will now go to confidentiality, what confidentiality is. So confidentially, we can say that only an authorized person can access an information, or in simple language, we can say a right person have the key of your house and they can access it. Yep. So here's another example. This is a technical one. We all have Gmail, right? We have credential of it as well. We typed email IDs and password in it, then only if they are correct, then only we will able to enter into our Gmail and compose the mail. But what is the technical stuff going behind it? So yeah, so basically we have a browser, we have a page there, and there are two types of protocols. It's hypertext transfer protocol, and there is hypertext transfer protocol secure. So secure is the more safest version these days, and they are protected by HTTP is very old and HTTPS is new. HTTPS is secured, and it is not going to be hacked very simply. Okay, the thing is, and yeah, these days people talk about a lot of things like SSL certification. It is secure sockets layer certifications. It's actually not that. It is TLS. It's not SSL certificate. It can be said as TLS certificate. TLS is transport layer security. SSL is actually quite old. It was made during the 1995s, and TLS is also so old. It was made during the 1999, but TLS is more secured, and these days we actually use TLS, not SSL. SSL is just hyped so much. Our media or maybe someone else. It's easy to sound, it's kind of like a habit. So yeah, we use TLS, and the latest version is 1.3, and it is released in 2018, I guess. Yeah. So what really happened, we logged into an HTTPS page, and yeah, it is secure, it can't be attacked by the hackers. We type our credentials, then it will go to a TLS encrypted line to a server, and they will match like your credentials are okay or not. Like they in that server, that credentials are saved in hash forms. Like if some hacker stole that credentials, they won't be able to read it because they are not in their actual form, they are in hash forms. If they have descriptions like decryptions key, then yes, they can do it. So yeah, this is the basic meaning of confidentiality. Only the authorized person or the right person have the access to your information. Here's the definition I told you. Now we will go to integrity. What integrity is? We'll read the definition. The ability to ensure that a system and its data has not suffered unauthorized modification. We can say, what if some wrong person get your house key and they get into your house and change stuff, so like your computer was there and it was somewhere else, or they stole it. It's kind of. Let's go with a technical example. Here are two phones, and basically one person wants to transfer $10 to his friend, but this guy got $100. So there is missing something. There is some trouble here, right? So what it could be? It could be MITM, man in the middle attack, or something else, something system error that shouldn't happen. So integrity makes sure that there is no unauthorized modification into the data. It is being secured. So what technical stuffs happen here. You basically just typed your amount, how much you want to enter, and that basically your phone, that app basically have a hash ID, like it's just like fingerprint, which is very unique, and that amount and the hash code basically will be sent to the back server, and the hash will be checked it is correct or not. If that is correct, then they will just transfer that money. If that is not, the transfer will be declined. It's basically that. But yeah, integrity means there is no unauthorized modification into the data. It means that. So we have availability here. So availability is just like you can access your house anytime. You can access your data anytime. You have your mobile phone, you have data in it, you can access anytime. What if your phone or your phone just fell into a well and it is just totally destroyed? Yeah, that could happen. At that time, availability just make sure your data don't get lost. So we have Google Drive here. So basically what Google Drive do, they have we can store our data in Google Drive. We can upload lots of stuff in Google Drive. It just gives 15 GB of free storage to us, and we can store lots of stuff in it. What if one Google Drive, it just one server got crashed, like one Google server crashed where your data was stored? They actually have lots of backups. They have stored lots of your data in lots of other backup systems as well. So yeah, they can recover. And this availability actually really helps a lot. Like if there is some disaster, they basically have already planned what will happen if some kind of disaster came, some kind of cybersecurity attack happens. So what they will do at that situations. These things plays a very huge role in it. So far we have discussed what is confidentiality, integrity, and availability. But why CIA? Why these all things? And the answer of the question is, actually they are the main goals. They are the main goals for any individual or an organization. And the whole game is to protect the data. We want to protect our data. It should not be stolen by a hacker. An organization want to protect their data, that it should not be going to any wrong hands. Countries protect their data. Everyone protects data. That's why it is written in confidentiality: data private, data accurate, data accessible. These are the main goals of an organization or any individual. So yeah, they are the foundational model, and they are so important. At the end, the goal should be that, and that's why they're important. And here we have a diagram, and it says, it's very simple. You can understand the CIA with this diagram as well. Integrity means, yeah, there is a checklist. Everything is on their places. And confidentially, there is a key. If you have the key, then only you will able to open your house. And there is availability. You can access your house anytime. And with this, we're ending this video. Thank you.